Using an interior designer has many benefits for renovating or building your home or project. Andy here from Rodrozen Design and Build, and here are our top reasons to use an interior designer. Number 6, experience. An interior designer brings years of experience in transforming and creating spaces, providing valuable knowledge and expertise in all areas of interior design and build. Number 5, fresh and unexpected ideas. Interior designers have fresh and unexpected ideas for transforming a space or creating a style for your home. Interior designers can surprise you with options and possibilities you didn't know were possible. Number 4, avoiding costly mistakes. Hiring an interior designer can help you avoid costly mistakes that result in spending more time and money than necessary. Number 3, budget. Interior designers can help you select products and materials that fit your budget, drawing on their knowledge of product prices and quality to create a design that works for you and your budget. Number 2, decisions and questions. Interior designers can provide answers to all your questions. They are your design translators, managing communication with contractors and ensuring confidence in your project. And our number 1 reason to use an interior designer: transform your home. Interior designers can completely transform your home, from layout and millwork design to lighting, flooring and decor, creating a space that reflects your personal style and preferences. What is your main reason for using an interior designer? Put your answer in the comments below. Looking for an interior designer for your home renovation, build or project? Click on the link below and we can set you up with an obligation-free consultation today with one of our interior designers.